10? All right. I got some work to do then. Finally, I want to lend the floor to my friend and fellow visionary, Miss Liz. Again, the reason we're here in Carrie Founded. Again, you got to have people in your life. Mia's one of those. Elena's one of those. Elton's one of those who I've just, when I have an idea or vision, I'm able to share it with people. Erica's been one of those. And so when I put it out there, she was like, yeah, Ryan, let's go. And so she just jumped in with both feet. And so I want to make sure that Liz gets some due and you get to know her. Part of living the life and lifestyle that you want to live is something that if you're in business, you have to do, and you do it every day, whether you like it or hate it. And it's called sales, right? And she runs an incredible program, coaching and mentoring and serving entrepreneurs and business owners, really small business owners, in the sales space. So, Liz?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. If I haven't met you, and I say it's not sales, it's just sharing your passion. So if you just share your passion, you're gonna make sales and you're gonna grow your business. But I have my own sales company. I've been an entrepreneur for over 30 years. My dad was an entrepreneur and an inventor, and so he was my mentor. And I try to do other things, but I always end up back in the sales department somehow of it. Every company I work for or start. So I believe in that entrepreneurs are like the best people and they're the most brave people out there. But you have your expertise, and sometimes it's not sales. So I think we need all those people in our lives. We need those people who are awesome at creating websites. We need the people that are awesome at marketing, and we don't need to do it all ourselves. And so once you realize that you don't have to pull yourself up from your bootstraps and take this all on ourselves, and that we have a community, then your business is going to be so much better. So I love helping entrepreneurs. I get very passionate about other people's projects. So, I have to be careful, because if I talk to too many people, like sitting down with Ryan for coffee and he starts talking, I'm like, let's go. Like, when's the first event? Like, we need locations, we need places. What's the topic? Let's go. Yeah. So I love getting serious. I love the idea of get serious, and I love helping entrepreneurs. So thank you all for coming. And if you want to talk sales or talk business, you probably won't be able to get me off the phone. So reach out anytime, and I'd love to I call myself a business visionary. So yes. Love to kind of see it if you want the outside perspective. Sometimes we all need that. And I've been doing this for a long time. So happy to be part of this and supporting, you have those people in your life when they ask you, or they don't even ask you, you just jump in. So Ryan's one of the people for me. So.
Thanks, Liz. Appreciate you.